Starbucks is a coffee shop. But why did people give $1.6 billion to Starbucks and no question asked?
And Starbucks can use it any way they want.
Starbucks means coffee, consistent coffee.
Starbucks makes millions of their customers buy their coffee card. Use the money to buy this card and use this card to buy their coffee. Even I have given $20 and it is sitting there for more than 1 year. Now the question is, how did I and millions of customers give so much money to them? Since it started, Starbucks focused on one thing and one thing only: consistency. They do what they say and they say what they do.
First store I visit, the second store I visit, the third store I visit, and every store I visit. All these coffees taste the same. When I enter the store, I feel the same.
Because of this trust, their customers give their money and get their coffee whenever they want. Starbucks gift cards are equal to cash. People trust Starbucks so much and give their hard-earned money without any hesitation. When I came to know about this data, what I've learned is building trust is the number one thing we have to do in our life. Like Starbucks, we all need to do what we say, and we all need to say what we do. It is not easy to build trust, but it is worth the pain. Let's build the world we all can trust. Thanks to Starbucks for showing me the way. Please share this video to cherish this thought.